She's dressed in black again, and I'm falling down again, down to the floor again. I'm begging for more again, but oh, what can you do when she's dressed in black? My mind wanders endlessly on paths where she's leading me, with games that she likes to play, words that she doesn't say, not when we're alone and she's dressed in black. As a picture of herself, she's a picture of the world, a reflection of you, a reflection of me, and it's all there to see if you only give in to the fire within. Shadows fall onto me, she stands there over me.